Chad, what is up, guys? Welcome back to New York session. I hope you guys are ready to get it again, guys. As you can see, just right off the bat, it is only myself today. J Money wasn't feeling top of the weather, but don't worry, your captain is still here, and I will definitely be hitting another home run for us today, you guys. So welcome back, guys. Another day, another dollar, and let's get it. Shawnee, welcome, my man. Hey, you're welcome. Napoleon, yeah, Chris is out of the house, my man, but trust me, I will get you those 35 pips. Joseph and Diesel, Abby G, Pascal, Sean, Danny, Gambit, Kingsman. Chris said he was also coming today. Yeah, unfortunately, we are trying to move things into the new setup, so Chris has been running around trying to sort a few things out. But he will be, a little bit later. He might still join us, but otherwise, it will be us for today. Afternoon. Audio is not lacking, Keegan. Music is a bit loud. Alright, let's stop the music for you guys. Okay, let me know how the music sounds. Let me know if that's better. Okay, yo, big man Keys. Get him, Keegan. How's the Keys? Welcome, welcome. I blew my FTMO account this morning, hoping to start the new one strong and finally get funded. Nas100, what happened, bro? You should have just been trading with us, my man. I think we are sitting, New York session alone, we up, I'd say we up about 6-7% for the day, for the week. And morning London sessions, I'd say we probably up another 4%, so we still had like 11% or something for the week so far. So been a good week. And Keeks, we trust. Hey, smooth, let's rock. Great, good afternoon. Music is good. My Vault Funder account Oaks, I promise you, they are the best out there. Keeks and Jevin killing the market there as usual, always. MT5 app on my mobile, misclicked an entry this morning, checked my phone at work at my lunch and had a nasty surprise. Oh my bro, I'm not even gonna lie, I have had that before myself. I've had times I've entered, and funny enough, because I have like a few accounts, what happened is I had a 50k account and I basically entered the lot of my 200k account on the 50k. Luckily I was up, so it was a good story, a good ending. But the thing is, it did have drawdown, so I think it's a good thing I didn't, because that basically probably took like my whole daily drawdown, and luckily it turned around. So the minute that thing was in profits and I saw it, I was like, damn, I'm closing, like what the hell's going on here? London session is for training, New York session is for money. Ooh, that is naughty. I've deleted the app. I'm only trading from my PC now. That's a lesson learned, bro. Get another trade with gold today, Keegs. Bro, I'm gonna love to kill gold. But I think, guys, in the meantime, let's get right into it. Okay, so with the dollar, we're gonna break this one down quickly. I think that's already, guys, I'm bullish, but key things straight at the bat, what we're gonna look for. I'm sure we can all see this nasty little open gap here. So we've taken down, and as you guys know, with New York session, I love this. This is like a key play for me. You invalidate the lows of the previous day. So we actually had Tuesday's lows, funny enough. Since we had this great gap open, we've taken out Tuesday's lows. So if anything, from here, I can see us turning around. Otherwise, we can come back to the weekly key level, find support, and definitely have that big push up. But for me, I would even love just the turnaround over here. So we can actually just turn around straight away and get something like that. So maybe not even much as a pullback, something like there, and turn around. So we'll keep an eye on the dollar to literally go fill that gap fill, guys. So keep in mind, and I'll also check here before we continue. I think we've got unemployment claims today, if I'm correct. So if that comes out good, that is our second step. Obviously, with FTMO being a hawkish outlook for the dollar yesterday, if this comes out, or it did come out already, 230 came out higher than expected. Okay, so I think NFP is gonna be very, very exciting tomorrow, guys. That is gonna be very, very exciting. So yeah, we'll definitely keep our eyes on that now. We've got some clear sailing for the rest of the day, but yeah, that is what we want to keep an eye on. So obviously previous, it came a little bit higher. That was, so yeah, coming out bad, negative there, guys. So that means obviously that weaker for the dollar. So what does that mean when it comes to NFP? Very good strength. You will see it come out with inflation, meaning again that will be dollar strength. So gold will have a bit of a crumble. So already we'll dive a bit more into that with the NFP special tomorrow for you guys, but already now you guys have an outlook at what I'm looking at. So a big point of this will be there. But now when the markets open, dollar can start its return here, literally at S3. So I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing literally this turnaround. So going back here, if we go over to gold, now where we are, yeah, guys, okay, key thing, we had this massive test here, wicked down to the weekly support, came back, closed above the daily key level. So as I mentioned to you guys, what I would love to see was, I would have ideally loved to see 1980 pullback retested. We never got that, but I did mention to you guys on the lower time frames, on the 15, oh shit, let me just delete that. On the 15, we don't want to see Asia lows give, okay? So this was Asia session, we set it, it was tested again literally at just before London open. We can see that over there. We don't want that to give. So we wanted to get above Asia highs, trade above Asia highs, get above the monthly key level and start trading. Yeah, reason being, we've also got our weekly key level over there. So only thing, where is it? Does anyone see where the EQ is? Oh, the EQ is literally on the daily key level. Okay, I see it over here. So our EQ is there with the daily pivot. So very, very interesting. You guys will always see how market can trade away. Somehow it will find its way back to this pivot and EQ. So that's always an interesting one, guys. So we've traded up the whole day. We could see something like this happen now, and I wouldn't be surprised, purely because Asia lows haven't been tested and the daily pivot being there and the EQ. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw something like this. Okay, so again, if we do a little bit more of a zoom out, we're going to see if we can spot anything here with the day count, since we've got some time. Is it just me, or is the music a tiny bit too loud? So yeah, just let me know, guys. Some people said it was loud, then other guys said it was perfect again. So just let me know on the music there, guys, before we really continue to jump into anything. So what we're going to look for here, we just want to see obviously Monday. Okay, so that was our previous week. That's our previous week low, basically at that key level. Turn it down a bit, please turn it down a bit. Good. I think your mic is a bit low. Okay, well, I'm trying to sort this one out here for you guys now. Okay, Mo's gonna be on it for you guys now, but in the meantime, I will drop the music a bit for you guys. So just let me know how that sounds. But back to the charts. So going off everything now, if we are standing here, so Monday, Friday being, yeah, Friday there was our high. Okay, so yeah, Friday was our high of the week, and we've been trading down since then. So we had a bit of a Monday, having an inside day. Tuesday, you could have made a fake out, so we almost took the high of the day, so that'll be a day 1, day 2. Yeah, so if anything, guys, so if we look here, so that was your inside day. There's your open. Here is your close. Okay, so this now becomes your high of the week. All right, we draw a line here just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I know it's very zoomed out, but it needs to be just that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So there was your high of the week, obviously being Monday. So we started trading down with the inside, and that was our high of the week. Tuesday we broke above the high of the week, so we faked out to turn around and continue bearish. So what does that become? Let's go, yeah, false break reversal, day 1, red setup day. Okay, since we got time, we're gonna drop you guys all things here. So I've spoke to you guys about this one before, but that's a red setup day. What does that mean for you guys? That just means it is red, so market went down. So if we look now at this, you had a open, close. You can see it's lower than the open, so it was a red setup day. We did take out a low, so you did do something like that. It is also now a red day. Okay, so there you got that. That I hate this thing when I forget to tap or press it. Okay, so now that becomes your day 2. The day 2 being over there. Now you're going to get the next one. So now day 3 is your trigger day. Day 3 becomes a confluency. So our opens there. We're faking out. We haven't taken out the high of the day. So this is something we need to pay attention to here, guys. We can't take this out here. Okay, so this is a key factor for us. We can't break that. Alright. If this is going to go down, we can't take that high out. Then we want to turn around, and we'll be closing lower. Obviously, like I said, we've got those things down there, and we want this 1980 area. So we might even get that. We might even get a further break because it needs to take that if this sticks to the confluency. Alright, so our day 3, we can actually look for a nice little sell here. Funny enough, I am, what did I just, yeah, funny enough, guys, I am actually bullish on the day, but we have just traded one direction the whole day, so we can see that nice pullback come through now. All right, so that's something we'll just have to pay attention to. But a pump for a dump, pretty much we're just going the other way. So literally now, if we can start breaking back, guys, already, if we're there, if we actually can get back below Asia highs, I'm going to look to go long and just continue that the whole day. Alright, so already we know what I'm going to be looking for now. That is gold. Okay, if we go over to the 80 is slowly, you can see there long term we are now going bearish. So the minute this can also cross over, that's where we're going to wait for the basically Asia highs to be taken, that we can catch up. So that's also what we will be waiting for there. Keys, gold, no bottom wick on the day. Asia lows, would love to see the testing. So gold on the day does have a bottom wick. There is a bottom wick there, my man. But we are still wanting to sell, but there is a bottom wick. It's the same concept for day count as Stacy Burke. I've no clue. We learned it from a person from Wall Street, so she could have learned from the same guy. He is a very big time trader. But yeah, it is a concept that quite a few people know. So that is just simple day count that I use as extra confluency on gold. So let's jump over to US30. US30 is an interesting one. Where is all of our stuff? Let's just see already. Same thing. And then we know we want to sell here as well, guys. First thing for me, pivots and daily EQ not tested. Asia lows not tested. We are at the R1, so what I would love to see is a nice break back down, get over there and sell it all the way back down to Asia lows, which will probably be my first target. And if we start taking that, can aim for the daily EQ and pivot. So already just off the bat, that's already a straight one for me. If we look on the higher time frame though, we are bullish, so that at the end of the day will just be a pullback, if anything, before we can turn around. So US30, we are just going to look for that break below before we can enter on that. And Nas, same thing, it looks like. Literally the same thing. So this all just depends what happens with the dollar here, guys. Otherwise, with Nas, we are literally at another key level. So for Nas, if we can break above that level, we can look for our buys. If we can continue to get above this, we can look for something like that. Otherwise, again, my more favorite option for the day would be to get back below the R1, then trade all the way Asia highs untested, Asia lows untested, and then weekly key level, daily pivot and EQ untested. So we could again see a massive trade all the way down and do that to carry on back. But we want to catch this sell, right? We want to catch the correction in the market before they carry on with the main movement of the market. So alrighty guys, that is the machine gun analysis for the day. That's what we're going to be looking at: gold, US30 and Nas. So Nas, we can actually set an alert there at the R1. US30, we can do the same thing. And gold's already coming back into the monthly highs, so we'll just keep an eye on gold for that one. But that's it, guys. We have 11 minutes left before market open, so we're just going to wait patiently for that one, okay? But I definitely think we can get another trade today, guys. Back in the game. Gold already began the purge. Cheers, Keegs. Is there a video to understand the day count? I'm not sure. I haven't really got into it or looked into it too much. I learned it and I've moved on since then. So I don't know if there's a day count. I haven't actually checked YouTube videos or anything on it. So I'm not going to say yes. I'm not going to recommend a video if it's not something I've seen myself. That I can tell you, okay, no, this one's quality. It is properly explaining it. But I'm sure there would be one. But just, yeah, at this point in time, not one that I like learned from or I've seen. So really hope we can get something on gold today though, guys. And don't worry, guys, I know you're all asking, but Papa Chris is back. He's in the house, so I'm sure we'll see if he makes an appearance. Thanks, Keegs. Is NFP live on this channel? So we are doing an in-person live session with the guys, and then we will kind of be jumping on for stream quickly as well. So stream will be a little bit shorter, in and out type of thing, but the guys that are in PE can come into the offices and trade NFP live with us. Hello, Chris. Shawnee. But no, guys, I promise you, I'm really loving the commitment, the energy, the vibe of the New York sessions. We've got 170 concurrent viewers at the moment, guys. Only 64 likes. Let's easily get that up to 100, guys. It's not much to ask from your side. We give you guys these streams. We give you guys the winning trades. That's all that we ask for on our side. Keegs, I can't find the link for Vault Fund or the account details. Type of accounts. There's the link should be in the description, my man. So just check in the description of this video. Just check that out there. It should be there. Once you go in there, then you can go start and all those things, and we get all the different accounts. Oh, Mo's already starting out with his heater. But how's today been so far, guys? You guys take some trades. Huya traded with us this morning. Chris called in a beautiful trade on GU. I had a beautiful trade on EU, but it just left without us again. Some of the guys managed to catch it. All you early birds that jump in before we say we're in. We just say I'm looking at a chart and you guys are in on that chart. So yeah, it was a good morning session though. We had to wait it out a bit, but we got some beautiful trades out of there, both hitting TPs. So being a good and productive one. Now we are just going to wait patiently and see what we can catch in the New York session. That's what I always must say, guys. I love is you catch that great trade like in the morning. Now it's like when you get that penalty or something. Like this is a no ball. This is that free shot. Like you can take a swing at it now and know like technically if I lose, like I'm just break even for the day. I don't promote doing that, but it's just a good feeling. Like I know it's not like if I lose now, I walk away being like, oh damn, I'm down on the day. I'm just where I started the day. So that is a very, very nice thing to take into it. Lowkeys just open a chart and I'm in. I might take a buy in EU. I'm in. Literally, guys. I swear that's how it is with some of you guys. I love the confidence though. DXY coming to the party like we said, guys. So as long as DXY continues this momentum, gold, US30 and Nas, I'm definitely sure we can catch something in. I really want to get Nas though. I think Nas is just my preferred one at the moment than US30. But obviously, as I say, they do move hand in hand. So we'll see what we can catch here. But it will be a goodie. Nas dump incoming, guys. You know it. Oof. Guys, I promise you, if Nas sells today, this is gonna be nasty, eh? Oof, this is gonna be bad. Like, this is a trade. Like, if you catch this thing, I'd honestly put my money on it that you could hold this till NFP. Because that's a little hint. You guys already can get an idea of what I'm looking at. But you could literally hold this. Geek, so next week, what time does New York change to? If I'm correct, it's an hour later. So if we're starting at 3, we'll be starting at 4. Yeah. So it's an hour later. We had news already, unemployment claims. Yeah. Other than that, it's clear sailing for the rest of the day. Okay, gold. Guys, I promise you, gold has like, me and gold are going to fight. For what, this whole week? If we haven't caught it, we've called it, and it just keeps on running without us. But like 4 minutes before market open, and there goes gold. Like, gold's being that person today. Gold's being that person. Do you have any tips on where I can learn more about fundamentals? Bro, so personally for me, fundamentals is just really understanding how the world works. So go learn like your Forex factory, go learn like your investing.com, stay up to date with the news, stay up to date with what's happening with these press conferences. Go analyze, for example, if we are hawkish, if we are bearish, when the market comes out like this, then those are the options I'm looking at. For example, understand what is your main interest decision, what affects inflation. So your big decision ones are this: your FOMC, your unemployment claims, your interest rates. so on. So you want to start learning which are the events that affect which things in the market. Moving on from there, you can almost make like a booklet. So like what I do is I will say, okay, for the dollar, we've got unemployment claims, we've got rate decisions, we've got PPI, and then we've got FOMC. I look at the four of them and then I tick off what are the results. So the majority of the results of those will give me the majority result of what they are looking to do in the market. If that's just a quick way to sum it up. Then I can understand, for example, now I know NFP is inflation. So when I look at all the smaller build-up NFP events, I can see the overview of it. I can understand. I can look at where the market is, where the country is, what's going on in the world. With that in the back of my head, I can make my call for what I want to do for NFP, what is most likely. And that's where I say you got to understand the country, you got to understand the world and what's going on, because in that scenario, what is most likely to do. So where we were talking about FOMC this morning, a lot of things were talked about how market preempt what was going to happen, because basically Powell called a bluff and they basically preempt that. And then because of that, he had to then make certain comments that he made in the press conference to react that, if that makes sense. So yeah, there's a lot that goes into fundamentals, but it's definitely something you can start getting the hang on. On what date does that change? From the 5th of November, the New York session changes. Yeah, Monday. Keegs, how does one plot the weekly or monthly key levels? So basically I'm just going over to the weekly, monthly, daily, whatever time frame, and I am looking for key areas of price action. So areas that, again, I'm not saying there's just a lot of market action in them, but areas that really impact the market. So for example, this, let's just say this one here, okay, daily key level. This is a key level where literally decided if the market broke this, it 100% turns bullish. It didn't, it turned bearish, and look what happened. It's just melted away after that. You want really impactful areas on the price action. Those are your areas you're going to mark out as key levels. So then obviously, like I say, you're just doing that off the weekly, then it's a weekly key level, monthly it's a monthly key level, and obviously the bigger the time frame, the more important that key level is. Alright, Yamenti Monday, good afternoon all. Morning Keenan, afternoon Keenan. Yesterday after your stream, I went to another stream that trades gold with 1000k viewers consistently, and he didn't trade for the day. He told that he couldn't see any good trades. Keys equals better. Bro, I have to ask, was that Don? Like, I have to ask, because I know he trades New York and he only trades gold. Right, let's see what happens. So gold already starting to melt away a bit for us. Yes. Don's getting called out. He's down for 44k right now. Damn. But now guys, for those that don't know, I do love Don, so I wouldn't call him out. I disagree with some ways he trades, but he's proved himself. Like, I am a fanboy of Don. I do love the man. So no hate towards Don. Don was in 54k drawdown this morning. Trade is still open and he hasn't shown up, but gold going down now. Don's a G. Y'all know he's a G, guys. At the end of the day, you don't make $1 million being a wanker. He knows what he's doing. But we're getting back to the 1980 area, guys, as we called this morning. So already this can either, as I said, we can get the push we want and close underneath. So that's why I was just drawing out these little zones for us. We can actually clarify them a little bit nicer now. But yeah, if we can get some closures below these zones, 100% can see a trade coming in for us as a sell. And if we obviously are breaking above, we can see those bars. But very simple stuff. So we're just going to monitor this area. It's what we've been talking about the whole day. But markets are open, guys. I didn't even realize that. They've been open for 2 minutes. So literally, if we can hold on here, I will look for a sell. If gold closes like this, I am selling. I'm in on it straight away, or right off the bat, and we'll be in on a trade. Okay, US30s. What's this? We're gonna live life on the edge. Nah, I'm joking. We'll see, guys. We'll see how bad it is. Literally, that area is a key area. We've been talking about it, so we'll see what happens there. Nas and US30, I will 100% wait for the 15-minute shuffle. That's the no-brainer. Because that's normally where we're gonna get that fake out. So, for example, US30 turning bullish. Nas going down. We're gonna look over dollar. Dollar is turning up. So obviously, US30 is more likely to be the one lying to us. So we'll just pay close attention to that one. But there we go, guys. Gold already tapping into that area and having massive rejection. So this is what we're going to keep our eyes on right over here. Thanks, Keys. Appreciate the knowledge sharing, powerful stuff on this platform. Any sales for EU coming into Asia? Hi, Dion. I'm not sure, bro. Not meant to be rude, but I discussed this with the other guys the other day. Once markets open, I won't look at another pair. If it's pre-market, I will happily look at it for you. But once market open, I'm focusing purely on the 3 pairs we trade here, just so that we don't miss a trade. I didn't say his name because I think he's a cool dude, but since you asked who he is, yeah, no, like I said, no hate. He is a lacquer oak. Literally got so much respect for the guy. What car you got, Keys? I've got a WRX, my man, WRX Premium. My Subi. It's my baby, but I am sadly letting her go soon. Time for something new. I'm becoming part of the Beamer family. So watch out, guys. There'll be another Duos on the roads. We're South African, guys. We're allowed to say that, yeah. Don is a medium with those types of stop losses. That's no way to teach others. Nice to watch out, but to get into those trades. Yeah, bro. Like I said, massive respect for the guy, but purely off the sense of I can't risk 60 pips to make 10 pips. Like that, it just doesn't make sense to me. It just doesn't. Where would you TP gold? I'd TP gold 2000. So today, if we do get this buy, 100% I'd aim for 2000 on gold. Keegs, why do you prefer trading the currency pairs that you do? Has it got to do with the experience you have with the trading them, or more success with trading them? So, as in currencies that I'm trading in the New York session, like these as pairs, or currencies I trade in the London session. Purely it's just pairs that I like, so I do have very, very good success rate with them, but also I like the volume. They don't move at a snail's pace. I like to say, yes, I'm in between a day trader and a swing trader, but I don't want to sit here all day waiting for a trade to play out. Big USD shorts incoming. Nas chilling, beam away. Whoa, you selling the Subi? Yeah, bro, selling the Subi. She's going 140, and then there's a guy that offered 145, but the Subi is going. Had lots of fun with her, but yeah, it's time to split ways. Yo, US30 is going to the moon. 100%. What's the correlation between DXY and NAS? So obviously NAS and US30 are your companies and such in America. So if dollar is getting stronger, they will get weaker, obviously because of costs of running companies. So yeah, dollar gets stronger, NAS, US30 most likely should go down. But obviously there is times they don't. So for example, end of month, they are likely that they don't work, because that's when companies are releasing their returns and things like that. So if companies had good months, that obviously it's more likely for them to be bullish on the markets for investors. So you'll see month end, and so they will be a little bit out of correlation. Like the gold in US30, etc. Yeah, bro, they just pairs I've been very, very successful on, and I like the way they move. And again, obviously they are dollar pair related, so all the volume comes in New York session. That's obviously why they move so much now, is because they now are in session. How long have you been trading, bro? I've been trading for about 4 years now. 4.5, 5 years. Somewhere there. What do you mean TP gold 2000? Bro, so if we, like I said, I broke these two areas. So if gold goes up, if we get the bar, then I am aiming for 2000, 100%. If we break below, I'm probably going to look at like 1960, if I'm just thinking off the top of my head. 1981 is your first key level, so 1981 would be first TP. Then depending after that, there's a good chance it turns bearish after that. So 1980 will be that kind of last stand for it. So if we break below now at 1983, first TP is 1981. I'm sad, dude. She was beautiful. I hope she'll find a good home. Yeah, bro. I really hope it goes to a good home. I really do. Do you do one-on-one sessions? Unfortunately, I don't, bro. We do the streams. We've got our community that you can join the Discord, but I don't do one-on-ones. Don't ask again, but you are bullish or bearish on gold for the session? I am bullish, but I have two optional playouts I'm happy to take. So I am actually wanting the sell today, which I was saying is funny, but I am more bullish on the market, but I would like to sell. It's a bit of a weird one, but yeah. Got it, thanks. US30 equals main 30 down stocks. Exactly. Just imagine you and the Antwoord WRX. So you're looking for sales? Yes, I'm looking for sales. Do you watch S&P? Not really. Okay, there we go. We need dollars start coming to the party now. US30 can start turning around. Nas can start turning around. So it looks like we are just going to wait for the first 15-minute shuffle, guys, and then we will be in. M3 comp. Bro. That's Chris's baby. I'm more an M4 boy, to be honest. M4 all the way. If I had to be forced, I wouldn't mind an M2. If I had to. But I am a M4 guy. So did you hear if commented back on sales on EU? Yeah, bro, I did mention. I said I'm not going to be looking at it now. I'm focusing. When we're in session, I'm going to focus on the pairs we trade on. So EU was bullish the whole day. If I just everything was the top of my head now, if I'm wanting dollar to be coming up, EU would be coming down. So that's, without looking, that would just be my input based on if my analysis is right to what I'm wanting today. It's like everyone show the M4 2023 competition, bro. Whew, that's naughty, eh? I don't know if you guys saw the new one. What's that guy's name now? Famous YouTuber. They at SEMA just revealed his TJ Hunt, the M4 GT3. Oh, that is sexy. That is sexy. It's times like that. I love Sahil, but I think he was definitely one of the. He did not have a brain cell working when he sold his M4. Well, the M3, yeah, M3, sorry, yeah. But that thing was beautiful. Oh my word. M5 and 240R. Chris, that's the story. Chris's wife drives a 240R. Yeah, so Chris will be rocking the M3 and a 240R. There's a guy that plays Apex. His name is Rogue. You should see his M4. Holy, it's sexy. Oof. No, there's some nice cars out there. Oof. Here we go, guys. US30 and Nas coming to the party. Okay. There we go. That's what we like to see. 3 minutes, guys. Let's see. Wild to see every major gain on the USD this morning except for gold. Yeah, no, if that happens, that means there's a big push coming in that market. It's accumulating for distribution. So yeah, US30, I just want to close below this area, and I'm in for the sells, otherwise some backup there. But US30 and Nas, there we go. Come on Nas, get under that key level. Get under that key level and I'm happy. That's all we want. DXY, that's the thing also guys, DXY closes above here. We are golden. Gold might be waiting for tomorrow like it always does pre-NFP. Yeah, 100%. I mentioned that to a few people. Oh, come on Nas, stay there. Stay there. Yes, don't you run away now. Guys, if Nas runs away now, I'm going to flip and cry. Alright, okay, don't hold over there. Like, just close underneath the area. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Can we get it? Can we get it? Okay, 1 minute. Let's get it. Come on. Nas looks like this will be our first trade for the day, guys. Sent you the Instagram post on Instagram. Okay, I'll check it out, bro. I'll check it out. Sell or buy Nas. I want to sell Nas. Come on. 30 seconds. Give it to us. Give it to us. Gonna take. There we go, guys. This is what we want. This is what we want. Okay, 10 seconds. Just hold there. Just hold there. We're gonna sell. Well, I'm selling. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on, hold on. Okay, guys, I can't sell that. That literally pulled back at the very end. Oh, screw it, guys. I'm taking half a shot at it. I'm putting half a shot at it. Yo, how low does this thing into me? Okay, alright guys, so 0.5% in here. I'll be aiming for our daily key level. Well, let's go Asia highs. Yeah. Entered with 0.5%. We had 10 NFPs here. How many did you win and how many did you lose? Yo, bro, I don't count that. It's not like a stat I really look for. Nope. Don't eat. Don't do it. Oh. Nah, bro. I'm in it. I am in it. As I mentioned, it's a bit of a naughty one, but I'm prepared to have it. It's running nicely already, so I'm happy, but 0.5%, I will take a shot at it. When there's a will, there's a way. Nas is a naughty one, bro. I tell you, Golds. Oh, yes, do we take gold as well? No. I don't like doing that. Nas might be the one for us today, guys. Nas might be the one for us. Gold's playing hard to get. You call me, Keegs. Did I call you? What do you mean, bro? Let's see, guys. Can we get a nice juicy run here today? I'm in gold shorts. It's a bit early. As I said, I want a closure below before I would enter on this. That's my only thing. So that's my only thing with the gold entry for now. Gold is looking good, don't get me wrong. But my also thing is, if it closes this far down, I can't enter there, guys. Like, I'd want a bit of a pullback kind of to where this wick is. But this, I wouldn't enter off of that. So my thing is, I'll wait now for like the 1980 area and see what rejection we get off of there. What's US30 doing? Nas back at entry. Chilling out there. What's your stop loss? 30 pips, my man. So 30 pips from wherever your entry was. Ooh, you see, guys, that I don't like. That pullback, that I didn't like. If gold closes below 1 hour candle, it's a go for me, but right now. Gold, as I said, oh, it did give a pullback. Okay, well, yeah, that would be a perfect entry on that then. But I'm watching Nas. We are in it to win it with Nas, guys. Took hours for 3 straight years. Now I make money moves. Pray for Nas. Yeah, guys, Nas is gonna play with us a little bit today. Nas being like that little child, you know, where it likes to play with its food first. How's the cut going, Keeks, bro? Not anything crazy as of yet, but definitely it's my body's hurting, bro. My body's hurting. That I can tell you. Scary hours for Nas. Not really, bro. Like, you literally at break even at this point, so nothing too stressed about. Going to see gold go long here. Have swings in from FOMC. Bro, I feel you. I'm nearing the end of my cut and I'm tired. Alright, guys, so we just chilling out here with Nas. Gold. Oh, gold giving a filthy little fake out there. Dun. Fine, guys. The minute we get a closure below, yeah, we've got that flush, then I'm happy. So we just got to pay attention to what this is doing over here. What are you guys doing? No, I'm saying because every time the iCloud keeps popping up here. Oh, so I keep closing it and then like 2 seconds later it pops up again. Yeah, guys, no, we're chilling, don't worry. For now, I'm not too bothered. We still decent, yeah. Gold trying to fight back. But yeah, guys, like I say, I'm just chilling with this one. I'll watch if this closes bullish. I'll then have to monitor it very carefully, because then there might be that bit of a turnaround. But I am liking, because the thing is we are taking it like at the high. So the fact is, where I'd have to worry for my closure once we close above there, that's kind of like my monitoring area. But then you basically at stop loss, and with Nas can literally do that to you and just wick you out one shot. So yeah, you got to be very, very careful with Nas when you're trading like at the very highs like this. But I do, like I said, I do like the setup still. Why you didn't take EU, I'm guessing. Didn't take EU was this morning because the closure wasn't how I wanted it. "15 seconds. Can it just close bearish for us?" There we go. There we go. Just give it to us.
Oh,
Just give it to us. Close like that and we go, guys. There we go. There we go. That's the close, guys. That's what I wanted. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Oh no, guys, with that closure I'm happy. That I'm happy with. We closed below the lows. I'm comfortable there now. I can let that little sigh of relief. I'm happy. And there it just goes right back up again. But hey, that's trading, guys. That's trading. That's all we wanted. Yeah, at this point in time, the dollar is going to war. The dollar's like fighting, but it's edging that little bit higher and higher. You're still going for the same TP, yeah, bro. The thing is, like, once this flashes, that TP is then it's incoming very, very fast. But we just need that quick flash. Missed the reason for entering Nas. Can you break it down, please? So basically, we've pushed up the whole day. You've got the dollar that needs to make a return. So these type of candles, at least half of it needs to be retested again. And then when we start breaking it down to the lower side, you have got the key level. You got Asia highs and Asia lows that weren't retested at all. So they still just remaining there untested. And that's just basically the little fake out. So we wanted to wait here, take out the little high one more time, and then push down from there. So that's what we waited for. Once we also broke back down below the key level, closing here, I was in on it. And then this candle over here was a little bit of concern, but we did land up closing lower than the low. So I am happy. But again, guys, that is the thing. It is the day before NFP, so a lot can happen here. There can be quite a bit of manipulation in the markets. I mean, gold, you can see, can't make up its mind. Gold closing, but massive wicks both ways. Okay, I think we're gonna take 930 highs and then dive lower. What's the RR in that? Let's see. The RR is 3.5. Missed the trade. Lucas, you didn't miss it, my man. We are literally at break even. So, nothing much has happened right now yet. Could the 1 hour wick tap the stop loss 3 minutes to the close? Feel the pressure building. Take place gold sounds 1986.55. Jumped in a small lot. CAD strong as fuck this morning. Gold. Where did you place your sell? Gold sell at 1986. Oh, bro, then ABG, you chilling there. No stress. We are back in the blues. As I mentioned, guys, this is just going to be a trade. We kind of got to sit it out a little bit. Battle it out here. As long as we keep closing bearish, I'm happy. So we can get these wicks to the top. But I'm happy where we are. Nothing that's stressing me out as of yet. Let's see how volatile these markets are. Gold also all of a sudden jumping right back up. Nas closing with a massive push upwards straight away. I think Tesla is holding Nas statement at 5% for the day, but open with a big gap. Wow, bruh. At Mr. I went full margin on Nas sells. Okay, bro, why did you do that? I literally tell you I go 0.5% and you want to say you went full margin. Man is no scrum. You will eat bread for the rest of the month, but hey. How do you go 0.5%? So whatever 1% of your account is, you just halve that. Just creating 1 hour top wick, hopefully. Yeah, as I said, not too stressed. Still very happy with the trade. We are back in the blues. I always say that's the thing, guys, with trading. Trading, you've got to sit through there. It's a roller coaster. Everyone wants to sit in it and straight TP, straight profits. It's amazing, but that isn't always necessarily trading. Gotta sit through the little roller coaster ride first sometimes. Sometimes it's amazing, you love it, you'll keep talking about it, and other times you're gonna climb off and you're gonna be getting sick and you won't do it again. But either way, you learn something. But yeah, guys, it is literally just patience. For me, this was just the better options out of everything. US30, gold. As I said, gold is just playing with people again. So I'm happy with where we are. Mine's at least giving me some structure to work with. I can happily take that one. Created a beautiful top wick. You know, exactly, guys. It really can. So that is the, keep in mind we are with 50 minutes closed, 30 minutes closed, 1 hour's closed. So this literally is just playing around now for a bit, but we can see what will be happening here. So 50 minute, very, very bearish, just a nice top wick. 30 minutes, bearish, nice top wick taking out the high of the day. And the 1 hour, very, very bearish response, just retesting the weekly key level. So as I said, still very, very happy with the trade. No reason why I would cut it as of yet. Even if this closes just like this, guys, and a little small candle, and the next one something like this, then I literally am not stressed at all. What's your TP on NAS? We are aiming for Asia highs. So once we start getting our flash, first TP will be Asia highs at 147.38. That will be our first TP. Break even point for me is when I'm at 1%. So I had to look at this now. I'd say break even points probably at like 14.815, 14.820, somewhere that area. So once, and for those that don't get what I'm saying, once I'm at the point I'm in profits of what I was risking for the trade, I will go break even. Then I'm happy. Cornflakes. Guys, the demo traders, we can't afford food. We eat cornflakes here in the office. Out of a cup somewhere, we can't afford plates. 100% learn a lot when waiting on holding GBCHF now for 2 days and running profits, and then small drawdown back profit now. So I'm just really waiting for potential 1.5 R. Yes, bro. How big was your stop loss if you've been holding a trade for 2 days and you still waiting on a 1 to 5? Yo. If I'm holding a trade for 2 days, I'm wanting like a 20 R or something like that. Gold didn't grab liquidity high on Tuesday or today, but grabbed liquidity lows on Tuesday and especially on Wednesday. Should indicate that it would flip back to bullish after inducing shorts. It definitely can. That's the whole idea. We want the test of 1980 to go long. So that's the whole thing we were waiting for. I'm more of a millipup guy. But that works. Now guys, for me, my go-to is still always the pink Cocoa Pops. Those things slap. US30 back at the high. Gold back at the low. Dollar coming back up. So yeah, I'm still happy here. Very, very happy. Alright guys, literally if we keep closing like this, I'm chilling, no stress. Is Nas100 your main pair? I wouldn't say my main pair. It's my main indices. I prefer it over US30. But my most likely I'd say gold's my main pair. Yeah, I think a lot more people know me for trading gold. As you must see, Chris is trying to cheat off my screen here. He's like that naughty kid that sits next to your desk and he's trying to copy what you're doing.
Stop chat.
But there Nas goes, guys. There she blows. We called it.
Tell them about the cowbell. Nothing.
Yeah, we're gonna get cowbells. Chris wants to get cowbells. So we're gonna ring the bells every time we hit in TPs. Yes, it's the people underneath us that are gonna hate us. Stop loss to break even. For safety, just because of how volatile it is, if you want to go stop loss to break even, it won't be a bad move. So it definitely is something you can do for safety. Just a little bit of security if you want. Because as I said, markets are very, very volatile at this point. So definitely can go stop loss to break even if you want. Gold is now melting away. Approaching that 1980 area that we're looking for. US30 starting to turn bearish as well. Oh, come on guys, 270 viewers. Can we get the likes to 112? Actually guys, that is a new high. That is, I think, our all-time high for viewers in the New York session. We are loving the energy, guys. Loving it. Hope you guys are still in this trade. As I said, you can go break even for safety reasons, if you want to call it that. But I'm still loving the trade. Gold giving me alerts. Yeah, so gold's at our 1980 area, guys. This is where we want to watch for now. What's the TP on Nas? TP is Asia highs. So this is, again guys, this is our area we wanted to look at. But my only problem is there's a lot of momentum on this trade. A lot of momentum, yeah. So I don't know if I want to jump into this right now. I'd rather wait for more of a confirmation. Because yeah, this is on its own mission right now. US30 also going bearish. Nas, yeah, Nas just continuing beautifully for us. Okay guys, stop loss to break even on Nas. Okay. Stop loss to break even, fam. There we go. We are running risk free again. So there we go. I'm in it already, up 14%. That's it, guys. I told you we don't miss.
Whoa, this is the thing.
Why did you listen again? Another one for the day. Nice trade. Chatadonia. Can you do US30? Yeah, so we are break even on this trade, guys. So literally running risk free no matter what happens now. US30 I think is delayed, so US30 I do see a sell coming in as well. There's gold, guys, literally closing above that key level. So very, very important there, but that is a final stand for gold there. I think Keegan is on a mission from the future to make people rich. We can all be driving Raris together, guys. At this rate, we're going to be powering ESCOM ourselves. Yo, Peach Army. You guys know it. 270 was the high. 270. We guys, the Peach Army NY session is gonna take over the opening bell. Actually, you know what? It's fine. We'll leave opening bell. We are going to take down the big fish. We want Don, ladies and gents. We want Don. I'm in Peaches. As I say, guys, running risk free. So you can take profits if you want. I am holding. I'm okay if this goes break even, but I am holding. I think this can be a beautiful, beautiful trade. And she's still going. It's a track star, ladies and gents. It's a runner. She's an Olympic athlete. This thing can go all night. TP for 750 for Asia highs. Yeah, TP 740. You can even make it 750, yeah. I'm gonna say TP at 750. It's a nice round number. Gold. Is the waterfall? Is it still going? Oh no, it is turning around. But that's why I say, guys, that is enough. I don't need to play with knives. I'm in on Nas and I'm happy. So no stress there. As I say, guys, this is already 1-to-1. I think 1.5 on my side. So literally, like, normally we do 1-to-1s, but that's what I say, this is a really nice runner. So that's the only reason I'm holding. Stops are at break even and you guys can let this run. But please, guys, if you're happy, take your profits. I'm already, yeah, I'm watching this. I think, as Chris mentioned, it's actually a very good point. We're gonna just watch this 14,800 area. So if we start rejecting off there big time, I'll close the trade. But otherwise, we can hold this very, very nicely. If we get a break underneath that, guys, I think we are golden. So yeah, I'm still loving it, yeah, guys. Not too worried. So we'll just see what happens. Great call, Keegan. Already locked in 2,500 and left a little to rip the TP. There we go. That's it, guys. Again, like I said, if you don't want to, it's always a nice thing. Take partials and you can leave a little bit to run for the TP. That way you know you've secured the bag for the day. But another day, another dollar. So we are chilling and I will leave this now to just see what happens. Peaches in the family, yeah, guys. Keegan, bro, you're the best. Appreciate it, my man. Appreciate it. Maybe we can start playing some of Chris's dubstep. You know what? I wasn't even gonna lie, Kendall. I've been waiting for the day someone was gonna ask this. What is the Peaches about? So the Peaches is the Peach Army. If the Peaches are here, we know you're an OG. You are here from the very start of the channel. Is DI back in correlation with gold? Not necessarily, but they are starting to play in effect with each other. But not necessarily completely yet. So guys, DXY literally, I mean, gold shooting off that key level. But again, that was a falling knife. I was not going to take that. But literally spot on with that key level. Right off of it. So anyone was in on that, flipping out, you got balls. But you are smiling eye as well. So we're just going to see how Nas closes here, guys. If we close above this candle, I will actually call it. And before that, support forms. Otherwise, if we just show a little bit more, if that closes somewhere lower, I'll wait for the next candle to break it. Otherwise, I'm still holding for now. I've been on the last 3 weeks and just went with it. I think a lot of people just went with it, to be honest. Is US30 delayed? What's it about to do? So US30 is a little bit different, but as long as it's not taking out the highs, I think you are safe. I do think you're safe. Nas100 bro, got my 4% back and burnt on women. Yeah, guys, if this thing closes like this, then I will close it out. Thanks, Keys. Good to start the new account. You're trading Nas on MetaTrader. Yes, I am. No, still in. So guys, stop losses are at break even. I already have a winning trade for the day, so even if it does go break even, if we have a quick push now, I'm okay with it. But that's why I said to you guys, please don't hold, because I am necessary. As I said, I've already got my money bagged for the day, so this is just extra at this point. Will you be trading NFP tomorrow? I will be. I'm trading live here in the office, but then after that I will be jumping on stream quickly to trade a little bit with you guys. But 240 concurrent viewers at the moment, guys. Only 147 likes. Can we get those likes up to 200, guys? That would be incredible. I think that would be an all-time high for us for the New York session. The New York family is growing. We are shining, guys. 20 seconds. If this candle has a little bit of a pullback, I would love it just the way that is. Ten seconds. Let's see how it closes, guys. Not liking this closer too much. Yeah, guys, at this point I'm just gonna even hold it. It's either gonna go break even or it's gonna turn around. So for you guys, you can literally, like I said, I hope you guys took your profits at 1%, because one was literally over here somewhere. So I hope you guys did, but I'm just gonna leave it. It's either gonna go back and turn around, or it will be stopped out. Like I said, it's an extra trade for me for the day, so I'm not too worried about that. Gold, I'm gonna watch. If we get above this area, I might go long then. We'll set a little alert here, guys, then I know. Who is this? Alright, sorry chat, y'all know, like, I normally don't answer unknown numbers, but then when I have these unknown numbers and they phone me like 4 or 5 times in like the last hour, I'm like, okay, clearly this person needs something and they know this is my number, so I was like, let me just take the call. Good shot leaving it, probably heading even further. Are you going to take any trades on US30? I ain't got the balls for that. Keys having a call with Powell. Thinking about entering a sell on Nas. Keys on a call with J Money. You got Powell on speed dial. I wish, guys. That man's the original market maker. Nice to see him with a bit of daylight in the background, to be honest. Yeah, guys, we are all still human. We got normal lives. I still go to the toilets. I do everything else just like you guys. Gold turning around. Like I said, if we get above this area, guys, we can actually already start looking to go long off here. I just don't like the fact that even if we do closure now, once you're above, we get a retest to go up. The only thing I don't like is how much volume is coming in here with all these wicks. So like if I had to, let's say, enter here, I mean, it's not too bad, but like my stop loss is literally at the bottom of like one candle's wick, so you don't give yourself much room to play with. So that's the only thing I'm not liking too much. DXY continuing up, so that might be what we needed just to see for Nas. But as you guys can see, dollar and gold not working correlation anymore. So dollar being bullish, gold bullish, so not in correlation as of yet. Still waiting on that one. US30 is still chilling out. Nas being rejected nicely there, but still holding here. So hopefully this is just making a top wick and we can now get that closure below. But as I said, stop losses are at break even, so I'm happy if we take that. Oh, Mr. Sahil in the building. What do you think for US30? I'm waiting for a break of the high now. You want to go long, bro? As I said to the guys, I do see US30 being bullish on a long term. Like, you've got so much room to play into now. So I do, and my weekly daily, you can see over there, is bullish. So I do see that coming in. But yeah, only thing is, it's not much clear structure of anything to go off of. If there was something that you've kind of missed it already, type of thing. So that's the only problem for US30 now. Like, I can't see anything straight off the bat to take a trade off. But what I said to the guys I don't like is we've traded one direction the whole day, and then we've still got our daily Asia highs have been tested, Asia lows have been tested, daily pivot has been tested, EQ, like nothing. So there's a lot of support now. I do get that, and we've got a lot of strength going up, but at the same time it is always just a little bit skeptical for me when the market's only been going one way the whole day. Nas, oh, she's going for a stop loss. She's going for it. There she goes, guys. There she goes. Well, guys, I hope you guys took out profits when we were there. I hope you guys closed out there. There's a massive resistance trend line. Go to 4-hour chart. I'll go check it out now, my brother. Okay, I do see what you're talking about. Yeah, so if you do break above that resistance, bro, you definitely can be in there. Yeah, if you can break above this, I'd say, let's go there. Yeah, if you can break above this, I could see you go long again. So if you can get above that, then definitely can see it. Oh, there's the alert. Nas, she's gone, guys. She's gone. And that's break even, guys. As I mentioned to you, I'm not gonna cry about it. We took a swing at it. That's life. No stress, no worries. We can always go again. Don't spend your rep money. Be smart. Damn, Nas got me fucked up. What are you guys talking about, bro? We had break even, so if you didn't take your profits, I told you I was leaving a runner purely because I've got my win for the day. So if you oaks didn't either take your winners at the bottom here where we hit 1%, Aish, would you look to re-enter with a big push back, or because it's come back we leave it now? Yeah, bro, I'm very strict on when a trade happens, well, the move was there, we didn't get it, I leave it now. I won't re-enter that again, especially because it's going to be on the same level. Like literally you're going to be on the same level you're taking that trade off of. It's not like structures being broken, whatever the case. Now we're starting to find support, so I'm taking the trade like over here now. It's literally will be a trade on the exact same area, so no, I won't take it off there. Mr. Blues, don't over leverage, I'm gonna cry. Geeks, don't you think the gold retest the Asia low and continuing falling? Oaks, end of the day, that Nas trade still break even, so I don't know what this man's stressing balls about. Gold's still trying to come back into this game. It could be a retest of Asia lows and continue downwards. But my thing is, again, like dollar is just coming out of nowhere. Like this dollar isn't playing now. He's being dramatic like an Indian auntie. Oh my word. Oh, there goes gold, guys. There she goes. There goes gold, guys. Can it survive? If anything with gold, gold. This is, guys, weekly supply back to 1969. That would be crazy. If that broke till there, that would literally be crazy. This could already be the trade, guys. It could very much already be the trade. We wanted to catch it from Asia highs and it just flushed and went without us. But that's okay. It's fine. We live and we learn. TP for gold. There's no TP, as I said. We are not in the trade, but we could look at that 1969 area. Dollar really makes a return here. I think gold will have to fall eventually. We're just going to see how this last 5-minute closes, guys, and then I think we're going to call it. Our trades have moved. They've come and gone. So we'll just see how this closes, and then I think we'll give it a call there. If USD breaks and closes above this, going all the way till 33757. Yeah, bro, that definitely is gonna fly. Thanks again, Keys. I'll be back on Tuesday. See you peeps with a nasty weekend. I absolutely blowed my funded account again. Cheers, US30. Bro, what were you trading US30 for? None of us were trading US30. The amount of buying pressure at the moment is mad. You can never be against US30, lol. It will teach you lessons. What conclusions can we look at for Nas? Lessons. I'm sweating all over gold. Thanks, Keegan. Yeah, guys, gold's gonna, as I said, gold's gonna hurt some people. Gold is gonna hurt some people. But yeah, otherwise, guys, I think that is it. We're gonna call it there. Okay. Let's see. When you trade P, you're on a different strategy or the same one. So, well, guys, think of it this way: if you trade an event that's different in every aspect of the markets, how do I treat it the same as normal markets? You can't. So there is different ways on how we look at it and how we trade it. Yeah. But alright, guys, that is it. That's going to be the stream now. We are calling. I'll see you guys tomorrow for in the London session, myself and Chris for the opening bell, and then we'll be back again. So don't you worry. Will be another one. Thanks, James. Another dime. There we go. A lot of guys closed down in profit, so very, very good to see the winners coming in. But again, guys, loving it, loving being here. We are keeping the momentum, so the streak still continues. Cheers, Sale. We were gonna miss you already. But alright, guys, I'll check you tomorrow for NFP New York session special, guys. Cheers, much love. See you then. Peace.